Mega shout out, welcome to Pure Stoneheart channel. And for those who did not able to subscribe my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and then do the notification bell as well, so you will be able to update you will be the first to be updated in my new uploads and all. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like and share my videos. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart. Okay, backstory, guys. A couple of days ago, there is something ads or I don't know, promotion. There is a promotion that reaches in my FYP, and always every time I scroll my FYP in my Facebook, guys, and then this promotion came, and it's called Mystery Box. So I get also, it's a mysterious for me, the promotion. So again, guys, this is the first ever. This is the first ever video or unboxing, or this is the first ever online shopping that I did that I don't know the items inside. Literally, I don't have any idea what is inside because this is a mystery box. I don't know if you have also in your FYP, but I tried because I've seen a lot of good promotions, but I don't know. This is, again, I reiterate, this is my first time to order that I don't know what is inside because this is a mystery box. So together, we will go together unboxing for this one, guys. So what is inside? It was delivered a couple of hours ago. Okay, so come with me. I will show you, and together we might get any surprise whatsoever. So let's do this. Let's do the unboxing. So the sender is from Tesla Global Warehouse, Flat Industrial, Sharjah, etc. Tajimson, Dubai, blah, 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 and all. So let's do this, guys. This is a drop ship order. Thank you so much. Okay. I don't know what to feel. I'm excited, but I don't know if the price is worth it or not. Okay? I'm scared to open, guys, anyway. Oh! Really? So look at what is inside. I don't know what is this inside, guys. See? Try to check. So let's do this. So the first is, what's this one? I don't know what is this. This is a, okay. So, partition box, it's okay. I don't know I really don't know what is inside, guys. Oh my goodness. And the price is, let's see if there is a surprise really. Oh, what's this? Okay, there is an AirPods Pro, but I believe this is I don't know what's, okay, that's the other one. I have here an Apple, what's this? Apple battery pack? Yes, Apple battery pack. Okay. What is this? Headset. Yeah. Unwrapped surprise. Mystery box thrilled. Unwrapped surprise filled with several random goodies from our special assortment If you are lucky, some of these box having a high stock, blah, 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 etc. and more. So there is a PS5, iPad, Xbox, whatsoever. I don't know. What is this? Traveling folding kettle. Oh, traveling kettle folder. Okay. And what's this? This is the only work that I received. Anyway, inflatable. Okay, another one. What we have here is, what's this? What's this? Wireless vacuum cleaner. Oh, really? Wireless vacuum cleaner. Okay. And this one is, the other one is, what's this? I don't know what's it. So, honestly guys, this is all inside this box. Okay? That I received, and this is worth 250. But honestly guys, what is inside, because it says there that unwrapped surprise filled with several random goodies or special assortment. If you are lucky, some of these boxes have high-end stuff like Xbox, PS5, iPad, or more. Even if you don't hit the jackpot, you'll get cool white labeled electronic from us. In all cases, you'll get stuff more than your money worth. It's a mystery, so it depends on your luck. If you receive damaged item, you can always contact us on the below number. We will replace that for free. Enjoy. Compliments, contact us. So, this is what it says there. But anyway, guys, what I love here is maybe this one. I like this one, and I really need this one. The kettle, I don't think so. This AirPods Pro, I don't know if this is original. Let me check if this is original. And then this iPhone pack, battery pack. So anyway, that's it. I believe so. We will do the unboxing each one in my next video. So don't be fooled guys for the promotions and all, because this is worth 250 and I don't think so. This is 250 all in all. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Watch out for my next video unboxing all this one part 2 guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.